Hey, what's up guys? This is the unboxing of the Nespresso Essenza Mini. It's a very simple and very small compact machine for your kitchen. This is especially useful when you don't have lots of real estate on your kitchen counter. Basically, it's the same old Nespresso machine with the very small cups, not the bigger one that were recently released. This machine basically has a very modern look, so let's get it. Alright, so first off, let's open this. And what do we have? Paperwork. A bunch of styrofoam, of course. The drip tray right here. And a very nice kit of pods. Of course, the manual. And now the machine and more paperwork. Alright, so welcome guide as usual and the machine itself. So as you can see, it's a very small, very compact machine. Let's put all this stuff away now. Works as usual here that you guys are familiar with. There is a very small water recipient. I don't have the capacity with me right now. And you install the drip tray in the front, like so. Plug it in, and then you put your pot in there, pour it on, and then coffee it goes. So this is the gray model, of course. There's a bunch of other colors coming out also at the same time, so you can fit it with your different color preferences. Let's try it, just for fun. So here's the little pods. As you can see, these are the very small ones, the ones that existed since the early days of Nespresso. And you open like this, you drop it in like that, you hit the button and your coffee comes out. So that's it for the unboxing. Very simple. Expect a full review very soon.